Good morning guys, I'm starting a new shop with me vlog. I actually filmed some more at Target last week without doing an intro, so you'll see some of those clips in, but I feel like Target is the store that's really getting a lot of new stuff in, which I'm so excited about. And I really wanted to film another one of these videos, especially because I was on Instagram and one of my favorite accounts, it's self-care run by Mindy. She has a channel as well. She posted that there is new Mixbar perfumes, so I'm hoping to find those today. I might have to check a few different stores to see because they are brand new. I don't think they're even on the website yet for Target, but there's a whipped almond. You guys know my love for almond and I need to get it, so I am really on the hunt for that today. I did order a couple things on the Target site from the native line that I was talking about in my last week's video, so I'll show you guys that. I feel like my blush today looks a little much. I just did my makeup so quick today. It's actually a really nice day. I'm just wearing a sweatshirt, no coat, which I love, but it's gonna have another winter storm this weekend, which sucks. But anyways, I'm just filling my car up and we're gonna head out. I think my first stop though is gonna be Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna stop there because that's the first thing on the way. I want to see if I can exchange some of my candles for some new spring ones that they have, to see if they have more of the bake shop collection with the cute little striped packaging. And do that because I'm not going to pay full price right now, and I overdid it on candles last year, so I have a lot I can exchange. I only brought 4 today just to see what they have. There's a rumor that there's going to be only a 10 off candle sale tomorrow, so not the best deal, but it might work on the new stuff. But yeah, I think I'm rather just exchange today rather than wait. I'm hoping the new floor set starts next week, but if they have anything new, I'll go ahead and probably film it, but I don't plan on filming a ton in there. Bath and Body Works, Target. I'm doing TJ Maxx today off camera, but lots of things to do, so let's get started. So on this trip, my first stop was at Bath and Body Works to get a couple of their new spring candles. I know they recently did a $10 sale. They're not on sale right now, but they probably will be very soon. But they have some really good, just like yummy foodie scents that I had to smell for myself. I did a couple candle exchanges. This one was so expensive. It's $29 for this gorgeous lid. There's another one called Toasted Coconut Eclair that I need to pick up as well, but now the store has even more stuff. So this was filmed like a week or so ago. Had to get lavender marshmallow as well, and then I just wanted to share that they had still a bunch of 75% off of especially like the Christmas candle holders and decor and stuff like that at this location. Just a few like of the snowman, some really good stuff. This is like a smaller store, and they had these candles for 75% off. I actually did not buy any. I was good, even though I wanted to. Summer Boardwalk and Berry Waffle Cone are such classics. And then also at the time, this is the only new scent they had out, the new 1000 Wishes for You, which apparently smells like the Christmas version, so I just thought I would share that as well. I just got done at Bath and Body Works. I did do an exchange for those new candles that I want. I just did 3. And they had some good 75% off, but I didn't buy anything because I'm pretty much sailed out at this point. But now we're gonna head into Ulta. Sorry the music's super loud, but Laura Mercier has their 25th anniversary. That's super long. Translucent loose setting powder. At least I think it's 25 years. That's nuts. It's $49 for the humongous size. It's the translucent and the translucent honey. You get the special packaging in the puff. And then there is new stuff coming. Here's a sneak peek of the new tinted moisturizer light revealer. It's a sheer luminous finish, lightweight sheer coverage foundation coming. And they do have these glosses that are new. The lip gloss hydrating balms. These look really good. I do love their lip gloss formula. They have 3 shades in so far. But I'm curious about this new foundation. I feel like they have so many tints already, so I'm kind of surprised that's what they're going for instead of something more like medium to full coverage. I am picking this up today because it is half off, the L'Occitane shower oil. So this is coming with me. This is one of my faves. It's really expensive, so getting it for half off the 25 is a great deal. They also have a new Escada fragrance, cherry in Japan. I remember they used to have a cherry in the air, so I don't know if this one is similar. This is more of a cherry blossom scent rather than a gourmand, so I'm probably gonna pass on that one, but super cute. All right, next we're gonna head into Target here. I've literally already been to a couple and I still cannot find those perfumes for the life of me, so I might have to give up and try next week, but I am determined. I wanted to get home at a decent time today, so we're gonna make this quick. I'm gonna go in and go out, but I did actually find some really cute stuff at the other Targets that I filmed for clothing and some other makeup-y things too. Alright, so at Target they have their Valentine's Day cups. They have this really cute red sparkly one, which I am tempted, but I have so many of the cold cups. But I also saw that they have these mugs, and I think these are so cute with the little heart confetti and the handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this because I want a couple more mugs rather than cold cups. So that is adorable. I also have this one as well. And I'm gonna get myself one of the pistachio lattes because I haven't had that before and it's out again. The Dollar Spot has even more Valentine's Day stuff here, including this adorable heart pillow. And I love this Be Mine heart one. I think that is so cute. I kind of want to get that for my couch. They have some little planters here. These, I guess they're little blocks that you can kind of change and dry erase. That's kind of fun. And this one, how cute is that? These are just little figurines, I think. They're pretty cute. At first I thought they were like salt and pepper shakers, but they're just little mushroom figurines. They have some cute little candles. These gnomes. I love this lip tray. That is adorable. Just for little extras. This baking set is so cute too. I kind of want to get that. I always need more baking tools. They have these cookie cutters as well. They always have such fun things in this area. I'm so excited. I grabbed a cart just to film around and hold my drink, but I got my mug. I went to a couple of stores that were out of stock, and this one had it. It's like a smaller location. And I also tried the pistachio latte hot because it's freezing out today, and I really like this. It's actually very sweet, delicious. So that might be my new Starbucks go-to drink. All right, this is so cute. I love that they did the little hearts all over it. Kind of want it. It's $21.99. I just think this is so cute for Valentine's Day, this little sweatshirt. It has the Rolling Stones little tongue out logo, but that's pretty cute. I'm debating if I should get this or not. Let me know in the comments. I always like to see what new Disney clothes they have because they always have Disney stuff since my trip's coming up. And this is pretty cute with Pooh Bear and flowers here. Let's see, this is $21.99, not bad, and it feels really good. So that is new. They also have some basketball stuff in, like the New York Knicks sweatshirt. They have some Bulls pants, but I don't see a matching sweatshirt to go with it. We do have some sandals arriving too here at Target. These always go really fast, but I do have a Florida trip coming up in the beginning of February, so I'm trying to plan ahead. These are pretty cute from the Stand & Shore. I really like this brand. I had a couple pairs from them last year, and they were extremely comfortable, so these look really nice for $16.99. These are kind of cute too. I like the nude, but these seem very uncomfortable. They're very hard. Look at these slippers. A part of me kind of likes them. I know they're kind of like ugly cute, but I kind of like them with the little pearls on them. I wish they made them not like this curly kind of material, but just like a regular fuzzy one. And they have tons of different colors. Over to this little section in the body wash area. It looks like we have some new Dove products I wanted to go ahead and share. So this is a body wash concentrate. So I think this formula doesn't have water in it, so that's why it looks smaller, and then you add water to it, I guess just to refill your bottle. They're $6.49 each. They have the Shea and Warm Vanilla, Cucumber, and then the Daily Moisture. And then you can buy this, which has a reusable bottle. They do have that, and they do have refillable deodorants, which is kind of cool as well. So you would buy the case and then just buy the refills for these as well. And these are $9.99 and the case is $14.99. Native Stand is filled up now, but I don't think they're getting in the body wash of the Baked by Melissa, so you might have to order that online, which is what I did. But they do have the tie-dye vanilla cupcake shampoo and conditioner in those spots that I thought the body wash was going to be, but it's $9. I've never tried their hair care. I just wanted to let you know it's here. Looks like the deodorant is almost out already too, but maybe they're not getting in the shower gels, unfortunately, but I will link it down below. You can order it on their website because it's pretty good. I also got the new NYX collection here, which I did share at Ulta. It should be up already, but I wanted to share they had the full new line with the new electric kind of collection is what I like to call it, as well as their Thick It, Stick It brow mascara. I feel like my camera is not focusing so well today, so I do apologize. Finally found it at like the 5th Target I checked, but of course they're out of stock, which I feel like they're gonna, this is like a whole new display, so maybe the other stores will be getting it as well. But they had the perfume, but they do have the hair and body mist, so I'll probably just grab this. I don't know if they would have a mini of it yet. Oh, they do, so maybe I'll pick that up too. But yeah, they did redo this whole section. I don't know if they have a sample of it, so I'll just have to go. Oh, here we go. We do have a sample, so I can let you guys know how it is. But the whipped almond from Mixbar is new, and the sparkling hibiscus is also a new one here. This rollerball is whipped almond and blackberry tonic, which I also don't have that, so that'll be nice to have as well. And this discovery set also has the new scents in it too, so that's a new set too. I did spray the tester and it's extremely light, but it's definitely the kind of almond scent that I've been searching for, just very sweet, pure like almond extract. And then the hibiscus actually surprised me because it smells more to me like a margarita or something, so it's very citrusy. But I think I'm definitely going to pick this up until I can actually find the full size. And maybe this as well to have the rollerball because I just love almond. I also need to point out that Solely Notes also has an almond scent, which I'm pretty sure is new, and I don't think I've seen it yet, so I might try this one too. I do like their fragrances. I really like their vanilla, and this one smells really good. I might like it even better than the Mixbar one. It's a little bit powdery at first, but I think I like this. I just love almonds, so I have to try all of it. I have to have Victoria's Secret again because there was a couple of things I wanted to grab, and they did lower the price of these to 60% off, so I'm going to grab this Tease cream whipped body cream. I need to get the Candy Noir one as well because it's 60%, and then I did want to come back for this because there's only one left. It's $5.99, but I did want this scent. And then I just smelled this golden pear one, and this actually smells delicious. It reminds me almost of the toasted praline and pear that I love so much. I didn't see this one out the first day, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this one as well. So I guess I am buying a couple things from the sale. These are the new scents, I believe, that they have available. There's a Cactus Water, Solar Sands, Desert Sky. This one's probably my favorite. It's like a fruity floral, and then the Canyon Flora. I think these are for their spring 2022 collection. Right, guys, I wanted to give you just a sneak peek of the stuff I bought during this shopping trip, so I thought I would just go ahead and pull everything out of the bag. I did end up getting that Starbucks mug. I think this is gorgeous. I'm so sorry if these are not available. I know I filmed this like a couple weeks ago and I've just been adding in clips, but it's adorable. Hopefully they will restock. I always buy so many of the tumblers, so it's nice to have just a regular coffee mug with the little confetti. Also from Target, I did end up picking up the Native Body Wash. This is the Baked by Melissa. I've already been using it. My label's a little messed up. The tie-dye vanilla cupcake, I had to order this one online, FYI. I don't think it's in stores, but they have the deodorant in store, and I also bought that, which I think is in the bathroom. I must say, this has to be one of my favorite natural deodorant brands because it didn't cause any irritation, and the scent is delicious, especially in this cupcake scent. It does smell like cupcakes, but it has like a fruitiness to it as well. It's so delicious. And Baked by Melissa, if you've never tried their little mini cupcakes, they are a must-have. I think you can order them online, and they used to have like a chocolate chip pancake one that was my favorite. This is making me want to order some. I bought the Mixbar whipped almond. You guys know I was on the hunt for this mainly in this video, and we still did not find the perfume, but I found the body mist. I have been really liking this scent. We did find the Solely Notes one too, but I just got this one. The Solely Notes actually ended up turning a lot more floral on me. This one is more of a true almond, but it does remind me a lot of Almond Blossom from Bath & Body Works, so I don't know if it's like a must-have, but I'm excited to have something new from Solely Notes. And then the rest of the stuff is Victoria's Secret. Let me just pull everything out. It's just some extra stuff I got during the SAS. So I ended up getting these body creams. Like, they were about 75% off, I think. I think I paid like $12 for them or something like that. So maybe not quite 75, but I got the Tease Cream Cloud. This one smells like Ariana Grande Cloud, and I got the Tease Candy Noir. So they didn't have the perfumes on sale, just these body butters, but these are like ultra rich and luxurious, super heavy packaging. And then I actually picked up 3 pink mists. So I got the Warm and Cozy Sugared. This is a gorgeous scent. I do love the original Warm and Cozy. It's seriously such a pretty fragrance. And this one's like a sweeter, almost fruitier version of the original. And then I also got this Warm and Cozy Chilled, which is just like the original, but more like cold or icy smelling. It's weird how they nailed that note. It's really good. It has coconut sorbet and winter vacay. I don't know if that really describes it. This is pretty old, and what's interesting is when I bought this, like all this stuff is fading off of it, so I'm kind of confused. I don't know if it's just been in the bins too much or if someone returned it or what, because I know this came out last holiday. This scent really caught me by surprise. The Golden Pear, I didn't even know they had this one, but it smells delicious. If you guys have the toasted praline and pear, this kind of reminds me of it. It has juicy pear and raw honey. I know this is a little bit older, so it might be sold out, but the closest thing I found to toasted praline and pear, it's delicious. Like, not like the new Bath & Body Works pear scent that they have. It's like toasted, really foodie smelling. It's so good, you guys. So that's what I picked up during this shopping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably be filming another one soon. I really want to hit up Walmart, but they haven't been getting anything new lately, so we will see. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.